Okay, hello everyone. It's our spooky slimes video, and this is our scorpion. And now we're gonna turn off the light, and then look. Isn't that cool?
What's it doing?
It's glowing.
Wow.
And the other side.
So what do you like making at Halloween?
I like making slime.
Oh, how would you make? What cool thing could slime do?
Glow.
Oh, what do we need for that?
Magic powder.
Should we turn the light off and try and find your magic powder?
Yeah. Where do you think it is, Daddy?
Let's have a look with the torch.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is
Oh.
it? There.
There it is.
It's there.
But should we
Guys,
just turn
look,
off?
it's there.
Let's just turn our torches off for a second. Wow!
Whoa! And turn it on again. And turn them off. Whoa! And turn them on. And turn them off. Turn them on.
Brilliant. Now we need to be able to see the rest of our slime ingredients.
So, where could they be? Where could they be? There they are, guys. Over there. So we have glue, activator, and sodium bicarbonate. And now we're going to make slime with our magic powder.
Which one are you going to choose?
I'm going to choose the purple one.
Oh,
Because
fantastic.
purple's my favourite colour and it's really spooky.
Oh, brilliant. Should we go and make the slime then?
Yeah. Hello everyone. We're going to make our slime. And so we're putting in glue. And then it's the sodium bicarbonate. And then we're mixing it. And then some activator.
Need to give that a good squeeze, don't we?
And then we need to really, really mix it.
That's a little bit more. So you just need
And then
it.
we put it with our hands.
So you just so it starts coming away
It
from the
goes-
side.
It goes away from the side and it's really, really sticky stuff.
But the more you play with it, the less sticky it becomes, isn't it?
Yes. And then we're mixing. We're mixing our slime. We're mixing our slime.
It's probably good to do this in the kitchen or somewhere that's easy to clean after, isn't it?
Yes, we should. Like my assistant. His name's called Daddy.
I know, my hands are getting really sticky, and so are yours.
Yes,
But
mine's
I think
really,
our
really.
slime's ready now.
Yes, I think it's ready. And it's still all over my hands.
Yeah.
Daddy, try and
we'll
get
do
it off.
Yeah,
Just get it
do.
off.
We will do that. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry.
Okay. I hope he gets this off my hands soon. Just look at my hands.
So right now, do you think it's gonna glow?
Yes.
So.
In
Ooh.
3, 2, 1, nearly.
So we'll
And
use
now
our
we'll
UV torch.
UV torch, and then we're turning off the lights. Right
I'll go and turn those
now I'm going to turn off the other, and then
the UV
we're
light.
using the UV light.
It's not.
What? It's
No.
not
Oh,
glowing.
we forgot your magic powder.
Oh yeah, we did.
Oh,
So
but-
we're putting them in. Oh yuck! No, I'm doing that again. No.
Right, get your hands
I'm
in there,
not.
Bets, and
I-
give it a good mix.
I'm
Oh, I'll
just.
help then.
But it's really, really sticky.
Right. Should we see if that works now?
Yes, but there's still a bit of purple in there.
We'll get that in there. Right, lights off.
Lights off.
Read our
we're gonna put the UV light on
So that's
now.
That's going to give your
put
magic
the
power, the
UV
magic
light
abilities.
on.
Look at that!
What? It's glowing!
Yay! That's the power of your magic
Yes!
slime. Magic powder. Yeah, look a bit closer. Oh, look at that!
So cool!
Right, now let's carve your pumpkin.
Yeah,
Ooh,
a
there.
one.
And cut it.
And
Your
cut
cutting
it.
spell. There we go. Now.
And then we're gonna put the slime in.
Ooh,
There
look
we
at
go.
that. Oh, it's flowing.
Oh, yuck. That's so gross. And in a minute, it's gonna explode with cute.
Now light off.
Now light off.
Oh, look at that.
So cool. That's like the coolest thing ever. And I'm still playing with it.
And that's how you make
Glow in the dark slime.
have a
Happy Halloween. Ha ha ha. Bye everybody.